it's Gaby, and I love cooking a big meal, but sometimes I need something that's quick and easy and takes less than 5 minutes. Today we're making a smashed avocado toast with smoked salmon, pickled red onions, and chives. All right, so first things first, we're gonna make some quick pickled onions. Fill it up with some vinegar. Give it a pinch of salt. The vinegar is just gonna soften the onions, let it do its thing, and make the smashed avocado mixture. Nick the pit and twist it out. A little bit of salt, black pepper, the juice of a lemon. This is basically the consistency you are looking for. This whole grain bread is always in my kitchen, and it's a really delicious way to get whole grains into my life. So just pile on smashed avocado. Add some smoked salmon. You can just kind of pile it on top. We are going to add those pickled red onions. It's a great pop of color. Fresh chives right on top. Give it a little bit more salt and some black pepper. And there you have it, an incredible smashed avocado toast with smoked salmon, pickled red onions, and chives. It's gonna be super delicious.